All right, traders, welcome back to another Relentless recap. Guys, if you are tuning in, hit that thumbs up, of course. And if you're a new viewer, consider subscribing. So, I want to talk about how time is going. Guys, time is going fast. How many different color t-shirts are you seeing, right? And how many days are you clocking in to check and see what's going on in the small cap land here with me? Guys, time is going day after day after day. It's already Thursday, right? And tomorrow we're coming in for Friday, and the week is already just like that finished. So let's make each and every day count. Let's always look forward to being our best selves. Let's stay proactive when it comes to studying, revising, and reviewing. That way we give ourselves the best chance at being great. Day trading is hard, and that'll lead us right into our disclaimer, right? Day trading is risky, day trading is tough. So we got to do everything that we possibly can to ensure success. And so if you're a newer trader, even if you've been around the block a couple times and you're not where you need to be, guys, utilize smaller share size, utilize a small amount of cash, utilize the paper trading simulators, give yourself longevity as you're going through the learning curve. Other than that, remember the live streams, the recaps are never a reason to try and copy trade what I'm doing. It takes a lot of experience, takes a lot of skills to be able to get it done months, more commonly years. All right. Lastly, remember, I do not invest for my subscribers. That means I will never message you first. I will never ask you to send me money. I will never entertain any conversations about mirror trading, copy trading, or even options trading. I will never send you a screenshot of my gains. So stay safe. There's a lot of fake accounts out there, people pretending to be me. I will never message you first. With that being said, let's talk about ticker symbol KAVL. This is the one that we really did well on today, $830. But as mentioned, we could have done a little bit better. So first and foremost, let's just talk a little bit about the context. So coming back here, pre-market, this thing started off around 4 a.m., pushing up from lows around 160. Got all the way up to 273, pulled back, around 7 a.m., tried again. But volume was really light. And things didn't really get spicy up until the open, where we went from 222 to a high of 339. And pretty early I was able to recognize that this was a strong stock. And I believe it in the first 5 minutes I got myself up to I think 900. So getting up to 900 in just this area here, and then for the entirety of the stock, staying at that level was just not good. Not great efficiency. We got very inaccurate. And I think that's part of what led to me hesitating in some areas. I missed three key areas that would have resulted in perhaps a $1,000 worth of gains or more. One of them, I had huge size. I didn't click my hotkey hard enough. I think that also had to do with a little bit of confidence, right? We'll talk more about it. But in terms of setups, we had a high point of 239, low of 31. So coming into the open, it pushed up, it dips down a little bit here, holds up above the VWAP, rips up higher, and then from there we start getting our first consolidation. So if we zoom in here a little more, we had lows around 37, let's say high 30s, and highs around 50. So right here, can we hold up these levels and then get through 50? We do. It pushes up here nicely over 50 to a high point of 66. From there, we get our second consolidation. All right, consolidation, just sideways action. Low point here, 55. High point 60. Oh, no, high point 70. Can we hold up the 50 level and then get through 70? We do. It rips up right here, and I was in nicely on this candlestick. What time was this? 38. I think I might have bottom ticked this at 38. Let's come on down a little more. I might have bottom ticked 38. 50. I got 52. I got 52. But you can see I'm out a little early here. I'm out too early, selling that position a little soon. And I believe I was seeing 61, 62 on the ask. I was already up 10 cents unrealized. But today was a day where I wasn't taking my profits quickly, expecting that bigger move, and then the stock coming back down. And at this point, I thought, man, this thing might be retesting the lows, maybe even for a breakdown. Let me just take the couple cents that I have. And so I did leave a lot of unrealized gains on the table. And this stock did fluctuate a lot of volatility. So from here over 69, and this is one of the trades that I missed. I'm gonna count this as a miss. At 62, 63, I realized that I should have been in, and I even said it on the live stream. I should be in. At that time, the stock is at 65. I'm still not in until I just finally get a grip and say I'm not missing it. And that's what I tell myself mentally. And I jump in for 73. I get filled 75. It rips up to 85. But there's no reason why I should not have been in here already at 64, 63. Why miss an extra 10 cents if you don't have to? So from there, let's see. We started holding up around the 80 level, right? So in fact, we got all the way to 99. It pulled back, and from a low of 60, I thought we might have been hitting the backside here. It does consolidate for a really long time, and then eventually does break out with these higher lows. We had some rejections. You can say once, twice. It does go the third time, but unfortunately, it sells right off. And right here, I shut down my platform. I was, again, green like 900. Chop, got myself to where I wanted to be, sized up, lost, and I was like, yep, that's it. And then I kept my DAS open. I saw that we were back. It bounced back all the way to 3. I'm like, okay, I gotta log back in because this thing might just keep going. And typically I don't shut down early, but the market has been so slow recently that if the main stock of the day is done, I want to be done. I don't want to be here trading any nonsense. But from 24, it pushes up to 33, dips, 1 minute candle makes a new height, rips up to 50, 74, and then 89. I could not capitalize on this move up properly. Again, the volatility, a bit of an issue, and we can look over some film here, but again, just very tricky stuff, man. Very tricky stuff. This one was hard to get a good grip on. We can look at that big breakout that I missed. Is this the right one? Did I not record today? Oh wow, looks like I did not record. Well, that's disappointing. Well, anyhow, I'll watch over Marcelo's and Tim's. But yeah, I missed this move. I should have been in. There's no reason why I should not have been in there, right? Break of 65. There's no reason why I should not have been in. This time I tried to hit my hotkey, 5,000 shares, 22. I tried to buy it 22. What was the high? The high was, wait, I might be mistaken I might be talking about a different level that I might have missed. So the high here was 24. So was this from break of 3? I think this was break of 3. Let's double check it. 9:59. This might have been break of 3. Let's see. So I'm in at 79, out at 84. I think I missed a move between 90 and the break of 3. It rips up, it dips, I take the dip, and it flushes out on me. In at 98, out at 78. And I think I got a little frustrated too because I know that I should have been in already. Let's see here. It got, and this is at 10:03, which is right here. So we get back above $3 and we're looking for the continue. I think okay, right here I tried with size. Didn't quite get the move. In aggressively 24, 25, 26, 28, and then it comes back. So I lost a decent amount here. You can say average of 25 out at 25,000 shares. So I lost a good amount right here. Not good at all. And then let's see, some smaller wins, smaller loss, small loss, small win. Even break of 50, I don't think I was able to capture. this stock, I tell you, man. This stock, man. Sometimes it's just tricky. But the key for me is not hesitating in the areas where I have high accuracy. I gotta always be firm, be disciplined, and be confident in the areas that I do well. If I start to deviate, I'm not gonna perform as well as I should be performing. Because sometimes that's what this market is that two, three, four key areas could have made the bulk of your day. You know, two or three big breakouts, two or three of the bigger dips. Sometimes that's what it is. And so every area that I recognize as a great entry, I must be in with tight stops. Most of my trades are just a couple seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds. I want to be in with tight stops in all the key areas that I recognize and I know and love. So we don't have any archive, but with that being said, I'll check out Tim, I'll check out Marcelo's later today as I review. This is going to be a quick recap. Be sure to check out those links down below. Of course, I found these stocks utilizing Momo Pro. All right, Momo Pro. If we come on down to the discovery section, this is where I was able to find all these stocks today. Not a bad platform when it comes to getting a good watch list and, of course, finding all the high gappers. Definitely can be a little bit better with the high-low stream, which is the essentially the high of day momentum scanner. Could be a little bit better here. Needs a little bit of a tighter filter when it comes to percentage gain, right? Other than that, yeah, code Relentless for 25% off. Other than that, feel free to check out the chat room, right? The chat room is where it goes down. That's where we're all hanging out each and every day. The Discord, man, the Discord, it's a great place to be. We have a lot of fun. We always hang out and chop it up here every day, right? A lot of people come, especially we're very active during the early morning between, let's say, 9 a.m. and about 11:30. After then, a lot of people will leave out for their day jobs, stuff like that. But yeah, a lot of call outs, a lot of good stuff, a lot of good conversations, us hanging out, building good friendships, networking, and so forth. Other than that, you guys can feel free to check out the course, right? I do have a day trading course for anybody who might be interested. It does go from zero to advanced, but let's see. No buts, no buts. Everything is good. I was gonna say our 3 month subscription is ended, but it doesn't even need, I don't even need to mention that. Yeah, so you guys can come onto the website. The link is down below. You can come and check out this diagram to see what's included in which subscription. The gold package is the highest package, which includes everything. You guys can utilize coupon code TRIAD for 40% off. All right. Of course, you can also come and look at the curriculum down here. Hit this down arrow. This extends and show you the entire curriculum from chapter 1 all the way to chapter 32. It is quite intensive, but let's say it's also progressive. It's easy to digest, and so as we go through, you can always reach out to myself or Marcelo, Tim, and Triad as well if you have questions. Marcelo and myself, we do a ton of mentor sessions, covering a wide range of topics, anything outlined in the classes, and even personal stuff too. Whatever we can do to help out, give the students the best odds, right? Well, even with this program, it's always important to mention that trading is hard, trading is risky, and that we do not guarantee success, right? Because in life, it's hard to guarantee anything, right? I don't even know if I'm going to be here tomorrow morning. That's how risky it is. Some people, they didn't even wake up today, right? That's how risky life is. And on top of the mentorships, the weekly Q&As, free access to the chat room, and ongoing lectures, you also will get access to our live trading archives. So and unfortunately today I wasn't able to record, right? But almost every day we record, well, we try to record every day our screens and post it here. So you might say, Relentless, I already see your screen on YouTube. Well, no, you don't, right? I have an extra screen that I use. And for example, like, myself and Marcelo, you can come and see, okay, on May 1st, right? May 1st, 2023, Marcelo made 85,000 bucks. You can click here and you can actually go watch the video with the level 2s included. And so just a quick heads up, this is what it looks like. So my screen in particular, right? Or if you say, hey, let me see how RT made 1,400 on this particular day or so forth, right? This screen right here is what's included. in this particular section. So you can see the level 2, the extra indicators and stuff like that. But yeah, you know, we upload every day, right? From the time we started the program to you know, to yesterday, right? Yesterday, which was the 20th, myself, Marcelo, we both uploaded, and he also traded some Tesla yesterday. I just stuck with WORX and TGL. And so yeah, take care, stay safe, stay green. It's me, Relentless Trader, your favorite YouTuber, and I am, of course, logging out. Deuces.